Welcome to Hokagata, where we explore the most advanced military technologies in the world. Today we dive into the Airbus H225M, a powerful multi-role helicopter that has proven itself in countless missions across the globe. Join us as we uncover what makes this aircraft a top choice for military forces. The Airbus H225M, formerly known as the Eurocopter EC725, is a long-range tactical transport helicopter designed for military operations. Developed by Airbus Helicopters, the H225M is part of the Super Puma family, known for its durability, versatility, and performance in harsh environments. With its first flight in 2000 and introduction into service in 2005, the H225M has been adopted by various armed forces, including France, Brazil, Malaysia, and Indonesia. Powered by two Safran Makila 2A1 turboshaft engines, the helicopter delivers a maximum speed of 324 kilometers per hour and a range of over 850 kilometers with auxiliary fuel tanks. This helicopter is designed for a variety of missions, including combat search and rescue, troop transport, medical evacuation, and special operations. Its large cabin can carry up to 28 soldiers or be configured for medical evacuation with up to 12 stretchers. Equipped with an automatic flight control system, night vision compatibility, and defensive aids such as infrared jammers and chaff dispensers, it ensures maximum survivability in hostile environments. The H225M has been extensively used in military operations worldwide, used for combat operation and also for humanitarian mission. This helicopter stands as a symbol of reliability and strength. What do you think about the Airbus H225M? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more military tech content. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.